Hi, this is Desmond Mead of Keller Williams Realty. Today I just want to introduce you guys to a brand new subdivision. Actually, it's not a brand new subdivision. This subdivision is called Haigs Creek. But this phase itself is a brand new phase within Haigs Creek subdivision. The builder out here is Essex Homes. And this is going to be a really nice neighborhood. So if you're looking, the main thing about Haigs Creek is this subdivision is basically if you're looking for a home with lots of lot size, with room between the houses, this is the place to be. I'm talking about a lot space between the homes. Out here, the price range normally is going to range anywhere from about the mid 200s on up to the high 300s. You can get a home out here as far as square feet is concerned, anywhere from just about 2,800 square feet on up to 4,600 square feet. Right now they have about 5 spec homes out here that's ready to go in the framing stage, that if you're looking to get into a home by the spring or early summer, these homes will be ready to go. And the great thing is, I know a lot of buyers these days are looking for homes with the owner's suite, what they used to call the master bedroom on the first floor, or ranch style homes. They have about 5 or 6 different floor plans where you have that option. 5 or 6 different floor plans where you have that option. You have the master down, bonus room upstairs. Really nice features. Matter of fact, these are some brand new floor plans. Some of them are rather some brand new floor plans that you have the options to select from. So again, this is brand new construction, Essex Homes. If you need more information about the possibility of building, if you want to build from ground up, you have that options also. There is plenty of lot space out here, plenty of space to build. So give me a call. I could walk you through the details and answer any questions that you might have about these lovely homes that's out here. This is another one that's in the framing stage. They already have the bricks and stuff on. This one is actually sold, but plenty of lot space. Haigs Creek is located about, I'll say about 5 to 7 miles up from northeast Columbia in the Elgin area. So give me a call today. I can help you get the building process started. I would love to answer any questions that you might have as it relates to building a new home or new construction. So give me a call, 803-319-2703. Looking forward to hearing from you.